Ready to go? Oh, that in a little bit more. It's when they come back and they slam against it. Gets a little loose. All right, and timers. Yes, great job. Oh, went right over. Look at that. To do so good to come down the ascent and then to go back, have to deal with that. Oh my God. That's all the time. Lift it over. Come on, guys. They're trying. It's not gonna work. They might as well give that one up. Give it up, boys. Definitely not winning. Well, at least they're not giving up, huh? How do you like that? That's good sportsmanship. No matter what, you're still going to work, finish it out. Yeah. All right. There you go. Good sportsmanship. Yay. All right. Stay tuned for more now.